Have fun, guys. Yo, 1,300 feet almost, 28 minutes. How you doing? What a beautiful day.
Yeah.
So, that's the parking lot. That truck is that little, tiny little matchbox. Second time up, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, it's just about, exactly. Yep. You go to the cliffs first, and then you got the actual summit, which is a meadow. Yep. Yeah, it's a good course for training. It is. All right, buddy, take care. How you doing?
Good.
All right.
Round two?
Round two. Oh, you're doing good. You got the pack, so I mean. I'd rather not film my own death. Hey, you guys did. Did you get down by the cliffs?
Is that over there?
Yeah, if you just go down there, it's right there.
We went and sat over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we sat there for a while on the left.
Good, good. It's beautiful, you know. Alrighty, have fun, be safe. You're doing good, huh? Yeah, I went around the summit.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So.
Impressive. Don't let me stop you.
No, absolutely no. I'm filming for YouTube and doing the thing.
Oh,
so.
that's cool.
All right, so yeah, it's amazing. I lost 107 pounds in the last 6 years, so it's kind of a celebration run. So thank you so much. So, yeah. So you guys are this is no joke. I tell people that are on here all the time because I go up and down, but when I first started, I mean, having one time I was, you know, dying. So.
Yeah, and today we took a shortcut unknowingly that took all of this pathway out. It just took us straight up, and then we were basically at the halfway point.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Oh,
Never done that before.
Yeah, well.
So
Yeah, incredible. All right, well, hey, take care, guys. Have fun. Be safe. Third time.
Yeah, you can take it.
Yeah. Yeah, right? I'll just run it up for you. I'm just...
Obviously need more, but what?
Okay. I know. It's just, I'll tell anybody who comes up here. I mean, pack or not, it's a steep trail, and you know, it's a lot of fun. I do it for conditioning for ultra marathons and stuff. So.
It's a lot easier last time, I think, without all this.
Without, it's a lot easier. Yeah, if I put on a rucksack, I'm slowing down a little bit. Maybe do it 2 times. And it is. People, yeah, once you get up over this ridge, and then it gets real serious, you know, and I usually do about 3. Yeah. Same day, yeah, 12 miles or so. No, I've not heard of that one. The world's toughest race, okay. Yeah. Okay. It's funny because this is like coming up on my 6-year anniversary of losing 107 pounds.
What?
Yeah, thank you so much. So oh, thank you. Hey, all right, yeah, killing it. So yeah, so I just come up and down here. I use this for training and I love it. And I'm actually YouTube, so
cool.
yeah, weight loss mountaineering. Yeah, because I figured weight loss and I love climbing mountains. So I think you could probably find it in one word with that.
I said I didn't lose weight, but I like climbing.
No, hey, you're doing great. You're looking good. I'll tell you, this it's like, okay, sounds good. Take care. All right. Yeah, right. You're killing it, man. Keep it up. All right. Yeah, last trip. Oh, thank you. Well, I'm proud of you. Keep it up. Good job. With all that pack on. Hello. There we go. All right. Take care, guys. Hey, hey, guys. All right. Oh, thank you, thank you. All right. Yeah, yeah. Look up weight loss mountaineering on YouTube. Thanks, buddy. Hey, hey, all right. I know you're gonna trip me.
My legs were hurting, I had to stop.
Hey, no, I get you, man.
You stopped for a whole 2 minutes.
That,
For real?
for real.
Come on, get crazy, man.
Killer, right? Hey, I'm on YouTube, Weight Loss Mountaineering, if you guys want to look it up. So, yeah. Hello, YouTube. All right, guys. Good hustle, good hustle.
I'll run up with you on the next one.
Yeah, yeah, let's do it. All right, guys. It's funny, I just got done telling my story about losing 107 pounds 6 years ago, which was coming up the 29th of May. You know, it's amazing. Here I am, just running up and down a mountain, passing people and encouraging them and telling them my story.
Back again.
Yeah, back again. Keep it up, guys. So, welcome to my world.